Hey filmmaker, Chung here. Welcome to another quick Davinci Resolve tutorial. In this video, we're going to teach you how to do a write-on text effect. So first we are going to titles and we're going to grab this text plus that's next to a lightning bolt. This is a fusion text, so a fusion title which has more control. So we're going to drag it and put it onto our timeline. So we see here title and we're going to click this clip and we can see we're going to change the text here, so to subscribe to Chung. We can change the font and change the size. And here we have a write-on effect. However, we don't want to do the keyframing here because it won't work that great inside of edit. We want to go into Fusion. So here on the bottom we can go to Fusion by clicking on Fusion. So once we're in Fusion, make sure you press this keyframe here to open this keyframes window. Now right mouse click on it and choose Scale to Fit. Now we can see the actual clip of the text because normally it just never seems to show it directly. And now we can add a keyframe. So one thing to note here, this 0.0 is the amount of frames we are now at. So we are at the beginning, and to jump to 25 frames we just can type in 25 and hit enter and we'll go to 25. And here we can now add a keyframe because this is the end of the keyframe or the end of the write-on. And now we can go to the begin of the clip, right, type 0. And now we can either it's write from the back to front, or we have it from normally writing the text. So of course we're going to do it normally, so grab this end and move it to the start. And now if we play it, we can see it's being typed into or write on. So now when we go back to edit, we can play this write-on effect. So that was mainly it, how to do a write-on effect inside of Davinci Resolve. Hope you found this video quite useful. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button here below and also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye bye!